So the next lesson is on metallic solids, finishing the types of bonding. We've already gone through ionic and covalent. So the learning outcome for this lesson is by the end of the day you will be able to explain the properties of metallic solids using their structure and their bonding. So what are metals? So the examples here we have copper, zinc and magnesium. In terms of their properties, they have low to high melting points, so a range of melting points. They conduct electricity and they're malleable and ductile. So malleable means they can be bent into shape, and ductile means that they can be strung out into wires. So metallic solids. So the reason why metals are malleable and ductile is because of non-directional metallic bonds. Covalent bonds, ionic bonds, they're in the direction of the atoms that are being transferred or shared. However, in metals, they are non-directional, these bonds. So it doesn't matter if the particles are in certain positions, as long as they are surrounded by electrons. So you can see it as like a positive metallic nucleus surrounded by a sea of electrons. And remember that malleable means they can be pressed into shape, and ductile means they can be pulled into wires. So in terms of electricity conduction, both metals, solids and liquids, of course mercury being the only metallic liquid, conduct electricity. And this is because the charge is carried by these delocalized sea of electrons. Okay. In terms of low and high melting point, to finish the lesson, the metallic bonds vary in strength and depend on a number of things: the size of the ions, the charge of the ions, and the number of delocalized electrons.